Hey there! Congratulations and welcome aboard. You made it just on time. I want to show you something you just messaged me about. Hi Michael, take a look at the stats from new members so far. It's crazy. So yeah, I just got a message from the head programmer of our software at the Quantum headquarters. He just showed me this. It really is unbelievable. I'm so excited that you made it just on time as the 20 spots are going fast. These are the results of the first 18 members we brought in as beta testers for version 8 of the Quantum code today. I had to come to the computer to show you this. This is just too good. The quantum speed of version 8 of our software is almost 3 times faster than the previous one. So new members are making money 3 times faster than we expected. These guys are going to be rich very quick. They will be shocked when they look into their account. I told you our new members were going to get very rich very fast. Faster than all the previous members, and also faster than us. Here's the best news. Now, it's your turn. The fact that you have made it here means you have beaten thousands of others and reserved yourself a copy of version 8 of our quantum code system. Give yourself a pat on the back, my friend, because today your life is going to change forever. You are literally just minutes away from activating your software and watching the first profits hit your trading account. And once they start, they will never stop. Trust me, the amounts we're going to be making will be mind-blowing. Think about this. What are you going to buy first? That new Ferrari you always wanted, but you should probably be able to afford? Maybe a luxury vacation with the family? Maybe a deposit on a new house? The opportunities really are endless when you are making a consistent $50,000 to $200,000 per week. Or, by the look at the early results of the testers of this new version of our software, you will be making even more. You should be able to get $5,000 to $10,000 within the first couple of days. If you start now, you'll probably get there in a few hours like our first 18 members did, depending on the time. All you need to do is register for a new paper account via the form on this page. This is the only thing required. You need a broker so that our secret software can make the trades and put money into the account. Oh, don't worry. The quantum code software works exclusively with our recommended broker. So you must register with the one on this page, and our software is already integrated into their platform, so you can start within minutes with no further work or waiting around. You will be making money within minutes and no work. We're done after completing this next step. Just sit back and relax. We have built a full system of Wondershare only to optimize our profits and when anyone can open a brand new account, as our software will only work with brand new accounts open via the form on this page. This is the broker that is going to pay millions of dollars in profits every day. So you're the only one who can trust with our money, and the only one who wants you to use to make sure you make the most money for our system. The software is guaranteed to perform at the program as it was built around our platform. This makes it extremely safe. Plus, you can withdraw your profits incredibly fast. You can make quick cash injections to your local cash, and you'll be able to deposit into your bank account up to $10,000 by month if you get started now. This whole system is set up so as the real system for success. The software will be automatically activated, and all you need to do from that point on is customize service. Go ahead and register via the phone page now. After that, access the software, click the Activate button, then just sit back and watch the journey begin. Remember, we are only allowing 28 people to access our software. We are giving these access as free cash, so we simply cannot do this for more than 20 people, as it would start diluting the profitability of our system, and right now 18 people already grabbed their spots and started making money. There are only 2 free spots left. You need to take action because you will never get another opportunity ever again. You're there's nothing to lose. So you have one chance. It's now or never. And you have nothing to lose as you get everything for free. So go ahead and register for your free spot now. Making sure all your details are correct or your position will be given to the next person in line. Go ahead and register now. I will see you on the chat in the private members area where you will be redirected so you can activate the software and get paid your first $5,000 as early as a few hours from now. Go ahead and register for free now. Don't miss out on a free spot. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. See you in the members area to get started. Maybe a luxury vacation with the family, or even a deposit on a new house.